So let us start the session. Today we are going to start assertion and reasoning based questions from chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. So let us start with the introduction part. Direction. In the following question, statement of assertion is followed by a statement of reason. Mark the correct choice as. If suppose both the statements are correct, assertion or reason दोनों correct है, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. With the help of reason we got the assertion. Then the option number A is you have to select. If both are correct and but reason is not appropriate, reason is not correct, the correct explanation of assertion या कोई भी फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ assertion में used ही नहीं हुआ है, so that means you have to select B option. If assertion is true and reason is false, then C option. If assertion is false and reason is true, then you have to select D option. Paper setter will not select not give any question in which both are false. Okay, क्योंकि अदरवाइज एक और फिर ऑप्शन लगाना पड़ेगा कि assertion and reason both are false. So कोई ना कोई एक true रहेगा. Okay, so let us start with the first question. Assertion: the point which divides the lines joining the points A and B internally in the ratio 1:2 is -1/3 and 5/3, and the coordinates of the point Pxy which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m1:m2 is given by this formula. Whether this formula is correct?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So that means the reason is correct, because this is section formula and we have to use section formula only to find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment AB. So reason is appropriate. Now we have to check whether assertion is correct or not. So what is x1 y1 here?
1, 2.
1 2.
and 2.
Very good. x2 y2?
Minus
Minus
1.
1 and 1. And what is m1?
1.
1. And what is
1.
m2?
2.
2. Okay,
2.
fine. So we'll write all the values. Now I told you how to find x coordinate. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, first we have to write the formula. This is the x coordinate, right? Now 1 into -1 and 2 into 1, okay, plus 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 2. So we'll get this one. So what we are getting? -1 plus 2 upon 3. Okay, -1 plus 2 upon 3. So what we are getting?
1/3.
Minus
Right.
1 upon 3.
-1 नहीं, 1 upon 3 मिलेगा.
1
Okay,
1 upon
so
3.
we are getting 1 upon 3. Okay, so now we are going to find y coordinate. So y coordinate का formula क्या होगा? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So पहले formula लिखेंगे. Now we are going to multiply. Okay, so 1 into 1, 1 into 1, ये दोनों को multiply करेंगे, plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. So we are getting 1 here, 4 here. So 1 plus 4 upon 3. So that is 5/3. So whether assertion is correct?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
अगर
sir.
यहाँ पे प्लस हुआ होता तो शायद ये हम लोग का करेक्ट हो जाता, right? So assertion is not correct. So which option was correct? The option D. Assertion is false but reason is true. Okay. So now we are going to अगर same question अगर यहाँ पे प्लस हुआ होता, same question. So assertion and reason both are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A correct होता, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पे अभी -1/3 है और हम लोग का यहाँ पे 1/3 आ रहा है. So assertion wrong आ रहा है यहाँ पे. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Next question. The point on the x-axis which if equidistance from point A and B is 2 0. Reason is given the coordinates of the point P xy which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m1:m2 is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is section formula. So section formula correct दिया हुआ है क्या, देखो एक बार, करेक्ट है ना?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
दैट मीन्स रीजन इज करेक्ट. लेकिन जो क्वेश्चन जो दिया हुआ है उसमें हम लोग सेक्शन फार्मूला यूज नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे, डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. सो द पॉइंट विच इज ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x0. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक पॉइंट लेंगे p. Let point p is x0 which is equidistant from the points a and b. So ap is equals to bp. So first we will take square क्योंकि otherwise we have to write under root. So AP स्क्वायर कितना होगा, देखो फर्स्ट AP स्क्वायर. सो ये -2 है ना, तो x माइनस ऑफ -2 x प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर, y -3 होल स्क्वायर एंड BP स्क्वायर x -5 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y -4 होल स्क्वायर. राइट, नाउ वी हैव टू एक्सपैंड दिस वन. सो इसका एक्सपेंशन होगा x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 4, इसका 9 हो जाएगा. And this will become x square plus minus 10x plus 25 and this will become 16. We'll get this step. इसमें कुछ हम लोग एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं,
X square.
राइट?
Yes,
we
x
will
square.
eliminate, okay? और उसके बाद देखो ज़रा ध्यान से, और -10x को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, ठीक है? मैं इसको क्रॉस कर देता हूँ. एक्चुअली हम लोग कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते, एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? अगर x स्क्वायर को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो x स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर उस समय कैंसिल होगा. So minus 10x will become plus 10x. So 4x plus 10x will become 14x. And see here, we are getting 41 minus 13. 41 minus 13 होता है 28. So 14x is equals to 28. So what will be the value of x?
2.
2. Right. So hence the required point is 2, 0. Assertion correct है?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But whether reason is the correct explanation?
No,
No, sir.
No. So option B is the correct one. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Right. So any doubt in this question? So
No, sir.
we are moving toward
No,
question
sir.
number 3. Ratio in which the line 3x plus 4y is equals to 7 divides the line segment joining the points 1 2 minus 2 1 is 3:5. And again the section formula is given. The coordinates of the points P which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is section formula. Already दोनों क्वेश्चन में यही रीजन का स्टेटमेंट था. So statement is correct. Okay, our reason is correct, and definitely we have to use section formula only to find the coordinates. Okay, ratio, to find the ratio. Right. अब यहाँ पे रेशियो, हम लोग को रेशियो फाइंड करके चेक करना है कि 3:5 आ रहा है कि नहीं. So let the ratio be k:1. Okay, and x1 y1 x2 y2 और m1 m2 लिख लिए यहाँ पर. So first we will write the x coordinate. Okay, x coordinate is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. We have to write the formula first. So formula लिख लिए. अब ध्यान से देखो, k into -2 1 into 1 upon k plus 1. Right. So ये हो जाएगा हम लोग का -2k plus 1 upon k plus 1. So this is k. Now we'll find the y coordinate. So y coordinate formula is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay. So formula लिख लिए. अब into k into 1 plus 1 into 2 upon k plus 1. So this will become k plus 2 upon k plus 1. So any doubt in x coordinate and y coordinate?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this point lies on this line also. क्योंकि वही लाइन उसको डिवाइड कर रहा है, तो वो पॉइंट उस लाइन में भी रहेगा. So what we will do, we will substitute the value of x and y in this equation. Okay. So substitute कर दिए. Now we have to take LCM. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, k plus 1 जो है इधर शिफ्ट कर लेंगे हम लोग. ओके. So this step we will get. Any doubt in this step? Because k plus 1 is common. If you take LCM, common k plus 1 denominator will be cross multiplied with 7. अब यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -6k plus 3 plus 4k plus 8 is equals to 7k plus 7. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
अब एक काम करेंगे 7k सी -6k plus 4k कितना आ रहा है देखो
Minus 2k.
Minus 2k.
-2k राइट. -2k को अगर मैं इस तरफ शिफ्ट करूंगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा +2k राइट. एंड 3 plus 8 is 11 and I will shift this 7 to this side. So 11 minus 7. So मुझे ये वाला स्टेप समझ में नहीं आया तो फिर से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा मैं. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is 9k and this is 2. So 4 sorry. So k is equals to 4 upon 9. So whether assertion is correct?
No, sir.
Right. Assertion
No,
is
sir.
not correct. So the correct option is D. Assertion is false and reason is true. अगर रेशियो इसी क्वेश्चन में अगर मान लो रेशियो 4:9 दिया होता सो हम लोग का ऑप्शन ए होता राइट. इसी क्वेश्चन को हम लोग एक और क्वेश्चन भी बना सकते हैं 4:9 देखें राइट. और नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. C is the midpoint of PQ. If P is 4x and C is y minus 1, Q is -2, 4, then x and y respectively are -6, 1. And the midpoint of the line segment joining the point P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Whether the statement of reason is correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. And
Yes, sir.
definitely C is the midpoint means we have to use this formula only. So the reason is correct. Okay. And given that C is the midpoint of PQ. Right. So according to the midpoint formula, what we are going to get 4 plus -2 by 2 is equals to y and x plus 4 by 2 is equals to -1. ठीक है. तो पहले तो हम लोग y कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. 4 plus -2 by 2 right. 4 plus -2 कितना होगा
2,
2 by 2
1.
1. So it
1.
will be equals to 1 right. Fine. Next वाला जो है x plus 4 by 2 right. X plus मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ x plus 4 by 2 is equals to -1. Okay. This one we'll get. उसके बाद क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग -2 हो जाएगा ये. नाउ शिफ्ट +4 टू दिस साइड -4. सो -2 -4 हाउ मच विल गेट
-6.
right
-6.
So assertion is also correct and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Very good. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now we are moving towards question number 5. Assertion. The point 0, 4 lies on y-axis and the reason is given. The x coordinate on the point on y-axis is 0. Right. And we know that if the point lies on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. So that means reason is correct. And what is the x coordinate of this point?
0.
0. Right. So that means this point lies on y-axis. So assertion is also correct. Okay. And the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the correct option. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 6. The value of y is 6 for which the distance between the points P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y is 10. And the distance between two given points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is given by AB is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. So the formula is correct.
Yes, sir.
right? So
Yes, sir.
what is this formula?
Distance
Distance
formula.
Very
formula.
good, distance formula. So we know that the distance between the 2 points A and B is given by this formula only. This is distance formula. So reason is correct, and we have to use distance formula only for assertion. But why? Now we have to check whether assertion is correct or not. So क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू 10 दिया हुआ है. सो पी क्यू स्क्वायर कितना हो जाएगा?
100.
100, right? So why we are taking square? Otherwise we have to write root. हर जगह पे root लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. अब पी क्यू स्क्वायर कितना होगा देखो. 10 minus 2 whole square and plus y minus of minus 3 plus 3 whole square is equals to 100. So this will become 64 and expand this one. Otherwise what we can do, we can shift 64 to this side. ठीक है. 100 minus 64. 100 minus 64 is 36. And what is the square root of 36?
6.
6.
Plus minus 6, because y is coordinate है ना.
6.
Plus minus 6. So y plus 3 is equals to plus minus 6. So if we shift this to this side, it will become minus 3. So minus 3 plus minus 6, which gives two values of y, 3 and minus 9. So assertion is wrong. It is not correct. So the correct option is D. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 7. The point minus 1, 6 divides the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6 minus 8 in the ratio 2:7 internally. 3 points A, B, C are collinear if AB plus BC is equals to AC. Now you tell me whether the statement given in the reason is correct or not. This is
Yes.
one of the method to check collinearity using distance formula. अगर AB plus BC is equals to AC है, that means A, B, C are collinear, B lies between AC. So the statement is correct. The reason is correct. Okay, now, but it is not required for assertion. Assertion में जो भी दिया हुआ है, for that we required section formula, right? So let the ratio. Now we have to check assertion is correct or not. उसके लिए ratio find करेंगे. So let the ratio be k:1, and what is x1 y1? Minus 3, 10. x2 y2?
6 minus 8.
6 minus 8. And m1 is k and m2 is 1. Okay, fine. So now we are going to एक मिनट, और x और y भी दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, इसमें x और y भी दिया हुआ है. Right? So I told you in the regular class also, when both coordinates are given, so you have to see which is positive, and that positive number you have to take. There is no rule to take positive value. You can take negative value also. Negative value में बच्चे गलती करते हैं. ठीक है, इसलिए हम लोग y कोऑर्डिनेट को लेके चलेंगे. अभी y कोऑर्डिनेट कैसे लिखेंगे देखो. m1 m2 मैं ऐसे ही रफली यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. m1 is k and m2 is 1. m2 is equals to 1. Okay, now the formula is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. That is the y coordinate. So what we are going to get? K into minus 8 plus 1 into 10 upon k plus 1. So we are getting this one. Okay, and this is minus k, 8k plus 10 upon k plus 1, and that is equals to 6. अब यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. If you cross multiply, you will get 6k plus 6. Okay, so now we'll shift minus 6 to this side, minus 6, and minus 8k to this side. It will become plus 8. So 6k plus 8k will become
14K.
14k, and this will be 4.
4.
So final answer for k is equals to 4
4
by
upon 14.
14. Simplify करो उसको.
2/7.
2/7, right? So 2/7 is the required ratio, and it is given 2:7 only. 2:7. So assertion is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So assertion and reason both are correct. But whether reason is the correct explanation?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
So
sir.
which one is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Very good. So reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So correct option is B. That is both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct. The correct explanation of assertion. Okay, fine. Now we are moving toward question number 8. The possible values of x for which the distance between the points A, that is x1, and B 5 3 is 5 units are 2 and 8. And the distance formula is given. Distance between two given points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is given by AB is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the distance formula is correct. जो distance formula दिया वो correct दिया हुआ है ना?
Yes, sir.
That means reason is correct. Okay. Now we have to check whether assertion is correct or not. And for that assertion, we have to use distance only. So AB is equals to 5 is given. According to the question, AB is equals to 5. So what is AB square?
25.
25. Fine. अभी AB हम लोग लिखेंगे. ध्यान से देखो. X minus 5 whole square. This is minus 1 है ना. Minus 1 minus 3 whole square is equals to 25. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ये 16 मिल रहा है. 16 को इधर शिफ्ट करो. So 25 minus 16, that is 9. So what is the square root of 9?
Plus minus 3.
Very good, plus minus 3. और अब हम लोग 5 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. So it will become 5 plus minus 3. So एक बार प्लस करेंगे तो 5 plus 3 8 हो जाएगा और एक बार माइनस करेंगे तो 5 minus 3 2 हो जाएगा. So we are getting 2 and 8. And in the assertion also it is given 2 and 8. So assertion is correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So which option is the correct one here?
Option A.
Option A. Very good. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 9. If the point A and B, that is 4 3 x 5, lies on the circle on a circle with the center O 2 3, then the value of x is 2. And reason is given. The midpoint of the line segment joining the point P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Whether midpoint formula is correct?
Yes, sir.
So reason is correct. Now whether you have to use midpoint formula this question, can you identify?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
एक मिनट अभी एक सर्कल दिया हुआ, एक रफ सर्कल बना रहा हूँ मैं. सपोज यहाँ पे पॉइंट A है 4 3. ओके 4 3, दिस इज 4 3, राइट. और एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे B दिया हुआ है. इट इज नॉट गिवन दैट इट इज द एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ डायमीटर, राइट. डायमीटर दिया होता तो मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला यूज करते. अब मुझे बताओ क्या मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे इसको?
No, sir.
विच फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू यूज?
Section formula.
नो
Section
नो नो
formula.
सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला भी लाइन वाला है. वी हैव टू यूज डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे A कोऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ है 4 3, B कोऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ है x5 and it is lie on a circle with center O 2 3. So this is given. So OA is equals to OB. Why?
Radii.
Radii
Area
of
of the
Very
circle.
good. Radii of the circle. So OA square is equals to OB square. Now we'll use distance formula. So OA हो जाएगा, ध्यान से देखो. We'll start from here. 4 minus 2 whole square and 3 minus 3 whole square. This is the first one. And OB square हो जाएगा x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So we'll get this one. So ये हो जाएगा 2 square 4 and this will be 0 and this will be, इसको ऐसे ही रखेंगे हम लोग, and this will be again 2 square 4. So दोनों साइड 2 square है तो 4 हो जाएगा और ये 4 एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. व्हाट वी विल गेट? x minus 2 whole square is equals to 0. So what is the value of x? यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट लोगे तो भी x minus 2 is equals to 0 मिलेगा. So what is the value of x?
2.
2. And the same value is given in the question also, assertion also. So that means assertion is correct. But whether which option is correct here? Both are correct. Assertion and reason both are correct.
Option B.
Option B. But reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. हम लोग को reason जो midpoint formula है वो यहाँ पे कोई काम नहीं आएगा. So option B is correct. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So now we are moving toward the last question. The coordinates of the point which divides the line joining A minus 5 11 and B 4 minus 7 in the ratio 7:2 is 2 minus 3. And the reason is given the coordinates of the point P x y which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m1:m2 is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is section formula, and the section formula is correct. Section formula correct
Yes,
दिया है.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
reason is correct, and definitely we have to use section formula only for assertion. Now we have to check whether we are getting coordinate 2 minus 3 or not, right? So let us start with the x1 y1. What is x1 y1?
minus 5 11.
Very good. And x2 y2?
4 minus 7.
Right. And what is m1?
7.
7. What is m2?
2.
2. Okay, सब लिख लिए. अभी x coordinate हम लोग start कर रहे हैं. So the formula is एक जन बताओ formula. What is x?
m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2.
Very good. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So 7 into 4 plus 2 into minus 5 upon 7 plus 2. Okay. So we are getting 28 minus 10 upon 9. 28 minus 10 upon 9. So 28 minus 10?
18.
18 by 9?
2.
2, right? So x coordinate is 2 only. इसमें जो दिया हुआ है. Okay. Now tell me the formula for y. Fast.
M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2.
Very good. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. M1 y2 7 into minus 7 plus 2 into 11 upon M1 plus M2, that is 7 plus 2. Right. So this is 49 minus 49 plus 22 upon 9. So what is minus 49 plus 27? Minus 27. Okay, minus 49 plus 22
Minus
is
27.
minus 27. Minus 27 by 9 is
Minus 3.
minus 3. So assertion is also correct. Now which option is the correct one here?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A. Very good. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So this is the last question of assertion and reasoning based questions from chapter coordinate geometry. We'll do assertion and reasoning questions after completion of 8th chapter. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.